Oh my God. I'm not going to show your face, boy, but God damn. I'm looking like, why is there metal everywhere? There's metal all over this bitch.
I don't even know what.
It's because, damn, I can't even get that bitch off there. This shit damn near fused in that bitch.
Oh, shit.
Brother.
Yeah. That might have been a pad there for a long time.
Brother. Brother, ooh.